how to fix Valorant and not launching. Today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's easy. Just type here first just type here game mode, click on it, and now enable game mode. Go to Xbox game bar and turn it off. Now close this window, and after that just try to launch GTA Valorant as administrator, and then if that doesn't fix it, restart your PC and let's move to the next method. First, close all the applications that you don't need here. If you want to close any application, right click and last option, and then right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, and here click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.